Yamo bibi akwa ba de ba smart Ghana update so we news update for kra ne de ba beso mo awusia Kwame bafo Abronye bono regional chairman Abronye DC enei okasa ne nyina fa court case a wawi ne ho wa bra parliament edi case bi ekoko PM e wo court ne nyina efa article 71 holders a na nkomo susu se yema amampanyinfo one omoyere no msoso omonye saa enwoma yibi eno na Kwame bafo Abronye echiremu a na one omonya adwen kra ema kikiri odikoku PM wo court na abusia judgment anase ruling number Kwame bafo Abronye ekasa fa ho a jese court ni chiremu a ade se sansem we die ombeka se parliament exceed omu jurisdiction entinya de so omu dituma eyeye nemum omu ne Kwame bafo Abronye eya adwene na abusia court ruling ne baaye no Abronye kasa a jese omu na twetwe nkomo amo chirechirem a nani nsusu age verdict no pa eno na chinsusu no ade se ne council enso de nsem bi atodwa ne nyina ye lawyer esinam poku ono ejina emu ma Kwame bafo Abronye ajese wa express satisfaction ruling a free Supreme Court aba ni nyina efa article 71 holders names ensem bi na surround na ebebre parliament edikoko PM court Kwame bafo Abronye enso di ne ho agi mu bi verdict anase ruling na babontin ajese Kwame bafo Abronye aye victorious nani age pa awusia mema mekasa enwa pi mepese yebekọ nyakwakuti Kwame bafo Abronye na ngasa wa bra ode ne nsem utudwa na ne council enso di bi so the ntia why satisfied with the ruling a free Supreme Court abano.
I think it's a matter of public interest, and the Parliament exceeded its jurisdiction when it adopted a monument committee report. Parliament does not have the mandate to adopt that particular issue, because if we look at the Constitution, particularly Article 71 A and B, it clearly stated that ministers, presidential staffers, deputy ministers, chief executive officers. So I was surprised to hear that Parliament has adopted the recommendation that first and second ladies should be added to the position as if they are the deputy ministers. That is why I filed the suit, and hopefully the Supreme Court has said that Parliament exceeded their jurisdiction. They don't have that mandate to add unless that particular provision, which is an entrenched provision, be amended. And it's something that we have to amend it through referendum. And Parliament cannot do that unless it's done through referendum. So that is why the Supreme Court set aside the entire decision by Parliament that first and second ladies should be paid by the taxpayers' money. I think it's unconstitutional.
So now tell us, the Supreme Court has spoken. What exactly has the Supreme Court been saying?
So we brought this instance action to invoke the original jurisdiction of the court to strike out certain acts that Parliament in seeking to pay salaries to the first and second ladies of the land. And thankfully today, save for Relief 5, all reliefs have been granted. And for me, I'm happy, not just because I was the counsel who came before the Honorable Court, but also the fact that I'm a citizen of the Republic and the rule of law has been upheld in this instance case again. That is also giving us the assurance that the Constitution is still in force and it's being upheld by the judiciary, and I'm very, very happy, very much about that.
Is it the case of the Supreme Court that the salaries to be paid to the first and second lady are unconstitutional?
That is so. To what our prayer, the relief we're seeking was a declaration to the effect that the salaries, the approval of Parliament for salaries to be paid from the consolidated fund to the first and second ladies of the land is unconstitutional, and the same has been granted.
Right. And what about the
December bosu minimu afimpininu aduonu miensamu ene beto dwase ene ensem bi boboba be semfrinhia mienu adi bani ne boboba adi bani ni nyina yese ebeto dwase mrahye bedwafie wọ́n kwakwa approve any article 71 holders no office holders na yetu omoka say ye abampanyifo mampanyi ene CEO seni ade ministers ni ade MP say yetu omoka no enkabeya yemfa mampanyi yire nom wọ́n abedi akire yire nom enfa omonka ho na nka bibia nkoyie na nsami ba ye ne yesi na ye kra no 71 holders kra ye pama Just ne mo atete so ayi bi afim es gracia hodo a mogigi nyina no ye pa yi mu afimu a ensam ne ba ye ne MPP NDC as usual said o mo ye no ebo banta saa ne ade heat argument na ekoso na no na bi kura beto odwase sa mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama na yire kura no eyade a wogigi bia ema wo kai pa yi maami ye kase watabri sika bi ade ko back ade akwa controller sa wonye sansam ne baye edidi muana chese mrashe bedwani a wono ye friend se nurse ndafia makwa na afeso no Clementa Park mo ene wo keka ho ni take a wo nyina ye mrashe bedwafo tabri ye na ene wo kosi watani general esa one reverse sa payment na wode ama first and second ladies ni nyina one reverse ni nyina anche bia ena kwa me bafo Abronye wono so ekoye Buru regional chairman MPP edi sasa ni bia de kwato ho se panya na chesa ye 2 case ena omo de akọ wo mo transidi nsam no ebeto odwa se wo mo hye se enka February busumi ni mu ena omo betimi afixe ankowie ka ena omo de hye ne 24th year po yese wo mo betena so na tie ne wo mu ni eyade a 7 member committee ewo mrashe bedwam wo matie Supreme Court wo matie Emma Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Seba Saki Tokono enedi animu ene wo mo so mo de ha mebebo na pam ama bibia timi akoso yie mutara nu sato nka di fi eye assemblea bia Supreme Court wo gina homa ne so kanso wotime nka memo ha
abai ma meje so
epo mu bakọ de
ankopọ adom ya ho ye anso nyankopọ ndi atamo de
erade atom ya ho ye wona wo butu assembly bia wo di nsam sesi asam no wo ma hyase wo mo ba betena sa badwafo aba no ma hyase mu nsam etesanye
abai ma me da ati ene wo ka se de atemwafo nson Supreme Court atemwafo nson a Chief Justice ka ho wo mo kan bi ye Justice NS Gawu Justice Barbara Akayengu Justice Lovelace Johnson and Justice Gabriel Portman Justice Anita Ensamble and Justice Samuel Echidi Samba Minika se de atema nipa minu yedi kan kwame bafo a nipa bebe na ni se ngia oka obiado hu ne Abronye DC and after so rocking that yamako edifa epa 1000 salary se omanpenyi yiri ene omanpenyi abege yiri ye Professor ya echiamwa committee combination we say treat omuka na ye treat omuse article 71 office holders sa atama omo de put Supreme Court ni se sanse no and it Supreme Court efwa so no Sunday the Supreme Court any kwan bafo ayaje o fan baby and after so rocking that yamako ni some of the band apart from mo back on there Supreme Court back say don't want now the band ni na Supreme Court so give ma immediate na me find the kind of kwan bafo there no Abronye DC insemo no kan any say o share trial recommendation on the and of the Supreme Court declare say article 70 which article 71 we no me any na the position of first and second ladies it cannot be declared say omoye article omoye public office holders and the Supreme Court education we say omoni kwan bafo eya agensa yes so you know so Parliament approval of the recommendation ya Professor ya Nshamwa Bedi committee ni edify on salary and as emolument edima first and second ladies and also Supreme Court party it is inconsistent with provisions what Supreme Court Ghana constitution and I think yes so said the approval of Parliament to say first and second ladies every month in Supreme Court party say it is inconsistent. You can't even abuma when the Supreme Court can say Sana Motuna committee no Professor ya Nshamwa the committee no edikoya Parliament education so recommendation on to the only thing that committee this now is they can make recommendations only in respect of public office holders. The public office holders they can be and so manpenye and also the manpenya be the no omo public office holders that committee and to make recommendations say yentia omuka between bia and no Supreme Court ebe kwan bafo eyaje e kan say me kwan bafo e kan me kwan so anu na mum ade ba kwan bafo so e kan say o se Ghana at the constitution at the 108 and after 178 muna. And the number the day we make Parliament entity and on one and entity and started process B and started that process and you choose that Yentia Asitia and the committees and other public office holders. The same year, Professor, in terms of committee, and no Supreme Court party said, or money again, you are living or more baby. It's Yamia Adom, that's not a Supreme Court party said, reasons are more tiny now, so every baby. Now, Sacrament, Rossin that Yama for Nidia now, the Pioneer, and into a father salary, Yama for member of parliament for Sada, and or only Clement apart. And after the news that he comes, no Musso di Omodia by and say, Assembly, release Marco and Son and Ananka or more as a different Supreme Court. No more than a Musia, a news here, the Supreme Court Abronye Bakupe and a Supreme Court, any of the Supreme Court.
Utala me bow, Nelson da Fiamma Ponsamoa, one in Yanum Yanu a canho, Ekuchegu Krata, so Mokosi, Attorney General, and the Supreme Court has 7 members, let's not and send them and see a dear woman but to a go, Bakupe no Mujitumu.
By my Sabbath,
Mujitumu, dear, when I do Mubogu Yania, dear way.
A Musiana Supreme Court, a Bubu, and Yena, a rocking the Fiamma for, and I mean, I can work and say, oh, share a constitution no more. As the Umpire, the Supreme Court declares upon true and proper interpretation of Article 71(1) of 1990 Constitution. Professor in terms of committee appointed in terms of committee now or more appointed by President of Ghana say under Article 71 public office holders only had jurisdiction say or making recommendations in respect of salaries, allowances payable, facilities and after privileges only for Article 71 office holders. And Supreme Court say or money in you. We are talking so almost further declaration said upon true and proper interpretation of the constitution, let's say Professor Isiama Baby committee had no jurisdiction, mandate or authority to make recommendations in respect of salaries, allowances payable. Meaning as the Supreme Court party said, or also Omoji Echo Apama in Niji, and also Oma Baby. Yet also Niensa said Professor Isiama committee also they exceeded their jurisdiction. As a king, I don't know, Fabroso, and also Supreme Court party said, Omidituma in Genoso, or more baby. Yet also 9 say, no move to Supreme Court, and declare recommendations that the committee to the extent it pertains to the first and second ladies of the constitution. Now, Supreme Court and declare now and void, and Supreme Court say, on any Omoya Adria. After to others, we are not okay, but only say on an order declaring the recommendation in respect of the privileges, facilities, and the salaries and allowances are payable to first and second ladies of the Supreme Court to be declared unconstitutional. Supreme Court say, or this my immediate. And after the letter from Siani, say, Supreme Court didn't share and answer a restraining order, about the president and other down or any arm or not a ministry, department, or agency of the executive from implementing and recommending that. Professor in terms of committee, Yoma Yebia, first and second ladies, and also Supreme Court say, on any year again in New Lemon Baswa, Supreme Court, any almost a year again, a declaration say, O share constitution meaning at the organization thousands of presidents and after the vice president are not Article 71 office holders. And no, I bring again to start to pay Penoka, Supreme Court. Ebi Abronye Eyage, Samson at Supreme Court, any Rossin that Piamaco, Eyage, but the Akani in a Rossin that Piamaco, release in Sona or filing apart from the fact that first and second ladies are not at the one office holders. The Akani in Supreme Court not based. Many cases at the Mafon Sona, Medin Cambo within that party, and may have the Madachna and as I really and as a judgment lady. Or Mukate. The whole kind judgment now, who can't bring it now? What can Rossin that Yama for them? One kind you need now more as the Bedouin and Jackson a day.
Mutara, Medasenia Juma Wabama Minevi.